All right, so in today's video, we're going to making an audio comparison of the different options that I have when recording a video. We have one here, it's a wireless mic that comes with the DJI Osmo Pocket 2. We also have a USB condenser mic that I've been using for forever. The Do-It-All grip that also has a microphone built in, and the default microphone inside the DJI Osmo Pocket 2. So let's do an unbiased Titos reaction in comparison of the four audio options that I have. Hi, it's me. Take note on this test so that all audio options are of equal footing. I will be recording them raw. I wouldn't be editing them on Adobe Audition. All the microphones will be 12 inches or a foot far from my mouth, directly on my mouth. So let's do this. This is an audio test using just the bare camera of my DJI Osmo Pocket 2 with no additional attachment. This is 1 foot away from my face. This is an audio recording using my DJI Osmo Pocket 2 with the Do-It-All grip attached, and this is 1 foot away from my face. This is a recording using the wireless mic paired with my Do-It-All grip on the DJI Osmo Pocket 2. This is an audio recording using the Samson USB condenser mic, which is 12 inches away from my face. So now we have all options. We have already heard all four options. I will be posting my comment on which I think is best in my Instagram. So head on over to Instagram, check out the stories, and that's where I'll make my final remark. Catch you at the next one, guys.